Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the diverse and delicious world of plums. From sweet to tart, there are many different types of plums available, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Whether you're a seasoned fruit lover or simply looking to expand your culinary horizons, this video is for you. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into the world of plums. Number 1. The Elephant Heart Plums. Elephant heart plums were developed by horticulturist and pioneer of agricultural science, Luther Burbank, in the early 20th century in Sonoma County, California. Burbank was heavily invested in bringing Asian and European varieties of familiar fruits, specifically apricots, cherries, and plums, into his plant breeding program. Burbank drew upon the genetic diversity of these species to develop hybrid varieties that would thrive in the growing regions of California. Today, elephant heart plums are considered a boutique variety, grown by a limited number of small farms, and are found through farmers' markets throughout the world. These plums are dark purple in color, have a tart, sweet and floral flavor with prominent notes of vanilla and berries. The plums can be cooked to make jams, compotes, reductions, and syrups, developing a silky texture when heated. They can also be used as a flavoring in desserts such as cakes, tarts, and pies, or they can be pickled for extended use. Number 2. Greengage Plums. Greengage plums are a variety of European plums, and they are believed to have originated in France. They were introduced to England in the early 1700s, where they became very popular. Today, greengage plums are grown in many countries around the world, including Europe, North America, and Australia. They are small in size and have a green skin and a sweet yellow flesh. They are sweeter than many other types of plums, and they have a unique taste that is often described as nutty or almond-like. They are often eaten fresh, but can also be used in cooking and baking, such as in pies, tarts, and jams. Number 3. Blue Damson Plums. Blue Damson plums are native to the Middle East, specifically modern-day Syria, where the fruits have been cultivated since ancient times. The plums are believed to have originated in Damascus, the capital city of Syria. Today, blue Damson plums are rare fruits that are not commercially cultivated. They are grown through specialty orchards around the world, including Europe and North America. Blue Damson plums have a dark blue-purple skin that is covered in a bloom of fine white-like powder. The flesh of the plum is yellowish-green and is firm, juicy, and tangy. These plums are most commonly used for making preserves, jams, and jellies. They are also sometimes used in baking, for making sauces and syrups, and for flavoring alcoholic drinks like liqueurs and brandies. Number 4. Mirabelle Plums. Mirabelle plums are small-sized plums with a yellow or yellow-orange skin color. They are much smaller in size compared to traditional plums, usually measuring about 1 to 2 centimeters in diameter. They are known for being sweet, juicy with an enjoyable smooth texture, full of flavor. These plums are grown primarily in France, in the Lorraine region, but can also be found in other countries like Germany, Belgium, and some parts of Eastern Europe. They be eaten fresh or used to make wine and other fruit-based liqueurs. They can also be used in tarts and pies, as well as in savory dishes, sauces, pork, and duck dishes. Number 5. Santa Rosa Plums. Santa Rosa plums were developed by horticulturist Luther Burbank in 1906 in Santa Rosa, California. The variety was produced from crosses between Asian and European plum cultivars and was selected for its improved growth characteristics and flavor. Today, Santa Rosa plums are not commercially grown and are primarily cultivated through select orchards and farms around the world. The plum's skin is dark red to purple base, covered in white speckles. The plums are known for their fruity, sugary sweet flesh balanced with a hint of tartness. They can be sliced and stirred into breakfast dishes, including yogurt, cereal, or oatmeal. In addition to fresh preparations, Santa Rosa plums hold their shape well when heated and can be incorporated into desserts such as cakes, tarts, cobblers, crumbles, and pies, or they can be blended into sorbet and ice cream. Number 6. Satsuma Plums. Satsuma plums are a type of Japanese plum. Satsuma are primarily grown in areas with milder winters and can be found in Australia, Europe, and the United States. Satsuma plums are usually harvested in the late summer or early fall and are available in many supermarkets and specialty produce stores. Satsuma plum tree increases its yield as it matures, as long as it is grown under the right conditions. The fruit is small to medium in size, with red and green mottled skin that has a slightly bitter taste. The fruit's deep red flesh is sweet with an almond-like flavor. The small pit is semi-freestone, meaning it clings to the flesh somewhat but can be removed with some effort. They can be used in a variety of culinary applications, including baking, canning, and making jams and jellies. Number 7. Black Splendor Plums. Black Splendor plums, also referred to as black amber plums, are a variety of plum that is known for its sweet, juicy and flavorful flesh. They are oval in shape and typically have a deep dark purple color with a glossy skin. One of the most notable features of black Splendor plums is their high sugar content, which results in a rich and sweet taste. These plums are typically grown in Mediterranean climates and are considered to be a mid to late season variety, typically ripening in late summer to early fall. They are usually larger in size compared to other varieties of plums and have a firm flesh, making them ideal for eating fresh as well as for cooking and baking. Number 8. Italian Prune Plums. Italian prune plums are native to the coastal Mediterranean regions of Italy and are thought to be a descendant of plums brought from Syria around the 12th century. The plum is a medium-sized fruit and can range in color from yellow to dark purple. The flesh of the fruit is typically yellow to orange and has a soft, juicy texture. The fresh fruits may be used similarly to other plum varieties, consumed straight out of hand, tossed into salads, sliced for cheese plates, diced into slaws, fruit bowls, and salsa, or blended into smoothies, but their dry flesh will create a texture distinct from other plum varieties. Italian prune plums are most commonly utilized in baked applications, as the fruits hold their shape well and develop concentrated flavors. Thank you for watching our video on the different types of plums. We hope that you found this information helpful and learned something new about these delicious and versatile fruits. Remember, the next time you are at the grocery store or farmer's market, take a moment to try some different varieties of plums and discover your new favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Until next time.